welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing this Ipsy Glambag box unboxing. I actually got this in the mail a couple of days ago, but I totally forgot about it. I've been so busy at work and just with life in general that when I got it in the mail, I totally forgot about it. And if anyone wonders, this wig I'm wearing, this is a wig. It's Shiloh by Noriko in the color Creamy Toffee. I've had this wig probably a month or more. I have a lot of good things to say about this wig. And she's holding up. I mean, I literally wear her every day to work, like 8 hours a day, and then I'll usually come home and take her off, and I pretty much just wear her to work. But it's got a mono top, so you can part it really anywhere. There's no lace front, but you really don't need it. You don't really notice it. It's just kind of like a long layered style. The lady I bought it from, her name's Leanne Thompson. She has a group on Facebook called the Beauty Nook. It's wigs, beauty, wig reviews, that kind of thing. I'll link her group in the description box below if you're interested in getting wigs at a reduced price. She does live sales every Friday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, and then also she usually does a live like Tuesdays, I think. It might not be wig sales, but it's just maybe like other products. And she also carries a lot of other wig products. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link to the group below. And so let's get into this. Because I've had it for a couple days and I did open it. This is what the inside of the box looks like. And with Glambag Plus, it is $25 a month. And you get 5 to 6 full-size products. And then I got a couple of add-ons. You can get add-ons. The bigger add-ons you can get for $12. The smaller add-ons are $3. Sometimes they're worth it. Sometimes they're not. It just really depends. So I will go through. They give you this little booklet that shows everything you got and the price. So I'll try and go by what's on this list and show you what I got. So the first thing, I almost dropped my box. The first thing on here is I got this 111, I don't know, I assume you say 111 or 111, I don't know, I say 111. 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This is worth $180. I know a lot of people wanted to get this in their box, so I'm really happy I got this. Looks like this. It's a lightweight concentrated formula infused with firming red rice extract. Vitamin C helps diminish dark spots and brighten your skin, and antioxidants to hydrate and help prevent future pigmentation and age spots. So you wash your face, mix 1 to 2 drops of this with your moisturizer, and you can apply it to your skin. You can use it every night or every day. I'm probably going to use it during the day. So it comes like this, and it's a little, I wouldn't even say this is a little bottle. I mean, this is a full-size product, so it's 0.68 ounces. And it just, you know, it's a face oil. It smells real nice. Smells really nice. So I'm kind of interested to try this because it was like a big thing in the Ipsy Glambag groups to get it. So I'm pretty happy I got it. $180. And like I said, you only pay like $25. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this wig to style a little bit. Like I like this to do this, but it kind of tends to fall. Might need to use some texture cream there. $180 for this. And the box is like only 25 bucks. So right there you're making like a huge, I don't want to say profit, but it's way worth, you know, what's in here. The second thing in my book is this Trestique Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in Belize, Bordeaux, and Grenache Balm. I think that's how you say that word. I don't know. This is worth $25. So really, this product just in itself is $25, and you could consider everything in the box free. So there is the color. It looks really like dark cranberry, so I don't know if that's really for me. So I almost hate to open it, but I kind of want to show you. It looks like this. One end is the balm. So that is the balm. I don't know if this twists up. Yeah, it does. No scent to it, but that's just like a lip balm. And then the other end, and these are, if I remember correctly, yeah, these are like magnetic. So they close like really nice. It's like literally magnetic, like watch. So that is the color of the lip crayon. I mean, it's not bad. I would use it. Yeah, the balm, the balm literally just doesn't have a color to it. It's just a moisturizer. And this is a matte lip crayon. And that's the color of that. It's Belize Bordeaux. It's definitely a Bordeaux color for sure. It's like a really kind of dark cranberry red. This would be a good fall, I think, a good lippy for the fall. So I'm just probably gonna put it back in its box and put it away till then. The next thing I got in the box is the Silva Beauty. This is like a twofer. You get the Hydra Liner in grease, the color grease, which is like a black, and the 620 brush. They call it a set, but it's one brush. These two together are $26 just for the set. So this is like a little eyeliner brush. And then this is the eyeliner. I've never used eyeliner like this, so I'm going to try it. I mean, I have such trouble with eyeliner. So this is what the product looks like. Is it sealed? No. It almost looks like there's like a, I can't explain, like a texture, like it's like a padding or something in there. It says you wet the brush, then you dip it into the pan, mix with the liner, add more water if necessary till you get a nice creamy consistency, and then you just use that little eyeliner. But I'm definitely going to try this because there was one other eyeliner that, you're going to laugh about this. It was a Wet n Wild when Fergie did her Wet n Wild line. It was like you got a brush and the little pan of eyeliner, and I love that stuff. Like, it lasted all day, it glided on, it was great. So I'm interested to try that. It's $26 for the set. So there's that. The next thing I got is this Textra and Ipsy. It was a collaboration. It's called Block Party. It's an eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. Now, I think there was 2 variations of this. I don't know what the other one was like. I feel like there was 2 variations to this. The one I got is like this purpley, which I don't even know what the other one looks like, to be honest. And these are the colors on the inside. Let me take off the plastic. It always leaves a big glare. So that's what the colors look like. So these 2, it looks like these 2 right here are the only mattes. There's a super glittery, and then these last 3 are like shimmers. That's kind of a nice little palette there. I will try that for sure. So Tetris and Ipsy. I guess together would be Tipsy or Tipsy. No, okay. I'm just being goofy now. All right, so this is valued at $24. Now, okay, last thing I got that came with the box. Now, I did get some add-ons, so I'll show you those. The last thing that's in my box that came, you know, just standard with this is the Pixi by Petra Lash Lift, and this mascara is worth $18. I'm going to try and open it, and of course, I probably won't be able to. It's got the you know, they put that, like, plasticky sleeve stuff on it. This always takes me forever to get off. I don't know why. Oh, you know what? I remembered what's cool about this now. You get 2 different brush sizes in here. Let me move up closer so you can see. It opens in 2 places. So you open this first one, and it's a little wee skinny brush for like lower lash line. So that's what the brush. See how it's like really tiny? And then it goes down in here, and then if you open up the second part, it's the actual full-size brush with mascara on it. That's pretty cool. I thought that is like the coolest idea ever. So you can get like lower lashes. So yeah, all in one. Pretty neat. And I love mascaras, and I go through them so fast. So that was $18. Now I did get 3 add-ons, and these were just $3 add-ons. I got the 2 Tetris brushes. Let me take them out of their sleeves. These were $3 each as an add-on. It doesn't say, I can't remember if they were like blended, like this looks like a blending brush for sure. This has a little bit of a flatter top to it, but they're really nice. I'm not even sure if, I'm assuming that Ipsy made these since it's a collab, but I think you could buy the whole set of these for $12, but I only got a couple because I have like a ton of brushes. So I thought it'd be cool to have a couple of new eyeshadow brushes. The other thing I got was this Jolie Luxe Cream Matte. I think this is a lippy, if I remember correctly. I'm pretty sure. Let's open this thing up. I think it was a nude color, but it was also just $3. Yep, it was a nude. So it looks like this. Jolie Cosmetics. It's like a pink, goldish, coldish pink, like rose gold color. And I have no idea what color this is, guys. No idea. And it's just a real kind of nude. There's no real color yeah. There's no scent to it. It's just like a nude. It's almost like what I have on my lips. I thought it got on my teeth. It's actually a little bit darker than what I was wearing, but it's kind of like it's supposed to be like a velvet matte. So yeah, I really like that too. It's a good shade for me. I usually wear this shade, so, and I'm sorry if I keep looking up here. I always mean to look like right here, but I forget, you know. But anyways, guys, that is what I got in my Ipsy glam bag. And again, this is $25 a month. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in getting Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I do know that you have to be subscribed to the regular Ipsy Glam Bag for $10 a month before you can get this box. So you have to subscribe to the $10 a month Ipsy, and then what you'll do is you sign up for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and there might be a wait list, so it might take a little while if you're interested, but when you get off the wait list, you can then decide to drop the $10 one. I actually get both bags because they're both like pretty good deals. So I get the $25 box, and I also get the $10 bag. I haven't gotten my $10 bag yet for this month. It should be on the way, but this is the Glam Bag Plus. But again, there might be a wait list for it, so you have to sign up for the regular Ipsy first. You can always drop the $10 bag once you get off the wait list for this and just get this, which is what I did initially, and then I'm like, I'll get the bag too. No big deal. It's $10 a month, so. So anyways, I just want to share what I got in my Glam Bag Plus, and I think I'm going to do a full review of this wig coming up. Maybe not today, but very, very soon, because I got a new wig in the mail today. I might show off here pretty soon too. So if you're interested in this wig, I'll also leave a group link down below to Leanne's group, the Beauty Nook, where you can buy wigs. She does a live sale, gives great deals, super great deals. And there's just a lot of really great information in there about hair loss, wigs, that kind of thing. Or you don't have to have hair loss either. You can just be someone who's interested in wigs. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching and have a good day.